Hey, what's up? I'm Norris and welcome back to another fabric haul. Now today I have a few different fabrics that I'm gonna show you. Some I'm currently working on and some I just don't know what I'm gonna do with yet. So let's just get started. So now this fabric right here, if you follow my wife, this might look familiar because she had an entire outfit with this. And at the time we purchased this fabric at Mood Fabrics, she found it first and I wanted to get a little extra, and she was able to save me a little bit. Now I think I want to do just a button-up shirt, nice casual button-up shirt, but I'm not sure what kind of shirt I want to do. I'm thinking about doing my drop shoulder shirt that I taught in my Sword Academy class a few months back, and you've probably seen it on the blog a few times. It's one of my favorite shirt patterns that I made. So this might be that. Now this right here is a yellow corduroy. It has a little stretch, but not much, which is really nice. And I just made a pair of pants out of this. Now this is the extra fabric that I had left over. I made a pair of corduroy pants that I taught in this month's Sword Academy. So these are really cool. You can dress them up. That's the thing about corduroy. You can dress them up with a shirt and tie, some loafers or whatever, or you could dress them down, put a nice little polo shirt on, some like Chuck Taylors or some Vans or something like that, and just rock it that way. So this ones right here are already made. I have a little extra, so I might make a shirt with them. I'm not sure, so I'll see. Now, just so you know, I have a lot of corduroy. I have like 2 more corduroys. Fall is here, so we've been inspired to make some fall pieces. This right here is a green corduroy. I have a vintage pattern that I just purchased. I just made pants out of those. I need to finish them, but I'm almost done. And this is the fabric that I use. Now this is a wide corduroy, as you can see. It's a nice hunter green, and I think it has a little stretch, but I'm not sure. Yeah, it has a little stretch in it. So, but the pants that I'm making, they're not very tight. They're nice, relaxed fit. So these right here are gonna be really nice, and you're gonna see these very soon on the blog. Now this next one is a lime green fabric. I think we've had it for a long time. The wifey had it in her stash. She gave it to me, and I still haven't been able to do anything with it. So I think I'm going to make some corduroy shorts out of this. Yeah, I know winter is coming, fall is here, but I think I just want to make some. I don't assume it's anything else. Maybe a jacket, but the funny thing about the corduroy, it doesn't go straight down. It's slanted like on the bias. So I have to, because I'm just so technical, I would have to have them going the same exact way on both sides. So just by that alone, it sounds like a lot. I don't feel like doing that much with these, so we'll see. I'm not really in love with this fabric, so if I find something, I have something come to mind, I'm gonna make it. If not, I'm just gonna let it sit. All right. Now this wild corduroy right here, it's the same as the green corduroy, as you can see. But this one right here, I'm going to make an entire corduroy suit. I have a vintage pattern that I just purchased. Not the same one that I'm making. Oh, you know what? Actually, it's the same exact ones that I'm making the pants out of this one. But I'm propping the pants and I'm making the pants just a little bit different. Now these right here, I'm not gonna crop. They're gonna be a full-on suit pants. And the jacket that goes with this pattern, I'm gonna make out of this one too. So it's gonna be a full-on suit. The last but not least, I have denim. Now, if you sew and design, you know that a good denim is hard to find, especially light denim. I would prefer a light denim, but this is the lightest I could find right now at Mood Fabrics. As you can see, it has a nice little vintage wash to it. And this denim right here is gonna be for a vintage jacket pattern that I just recently purchased. And it's gonna be super vintage when you see it. It has a nice fat lapel and it has a collar. It has a pleat in the back. It has a band on the collar. It has a band on the bottom of the jacket. So I can't wait to show you the pattern and what I do with it when I make it out of denim. All right, so that's all the fabrics I have right now. Remember to subscribe, like, and also comment on my videos. Also, if you sew, especially if you're a guy that sew, or if you're a female that sews menswear, tag me what you make at Norris Danta Ford on my Instagram, and also just go to my Instagram and just follow me. All right, until next time, see you in the next video.